Now, monsoon rains have unleashed devastating floods across North India, submerging villages, destroying crops and claiming lives. The floods in the northwestern Punjab state have displaced hundreds of thousands of people. Gurjot Singh is in Punjab with the latest.
I'm in Punjab, standing on the banks of River Satluj in Ludhiana. As you can see behind me, the speed at which the water is flowing. Punjab is reeling under unprecedented floods. Over the last couple of days, more than 1,000 villages have gone underwater and more than 35 lives have been lost. Crops across 173,000 hectares have been destroyed. North India is facing one of its worst monsoon disasters in decades, and Punjab is at its epicenter, lashed by the water gushing down from the Ravi, Beas, and Satluj rivers. The deluge is not just from the skies. Heavy water releases from upstream dams like Bhakra and Pong have worsened the flooding in Punjab. The rivers here have spilled into homes, farms, and roads, drowning livelihoods along with the land. The rescue operations are in overdrive. The army, the National Disaster Response Forces, and local volunteers are pulling people out. We met families who have lost everything: homes, cattle, and crops. But in the middle of despair, there is hope. Neighbors are sharing food, strangers are sheltering strangers, and the community spirit is keeping people afloat when the waters haven't spared anything else. And this crisis is bigger than Punjab. From Himachal to Uttarakhand to Jammu Kashmir, Himalayas are flooding their plains. Experts blame climate change. Unseasonal cloudbursts, extreme rainfall, and shrinking river capacity are making floods fiercer, longer, and deadlier. The Indian Meteorological Department warns of more heavy to very heavy rains across north this week in states like Punjab, Haryana, Himachal, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, and Delhi. This means the risk of flash floods, waterlogging, landslides, and traffic chaos persists in these regions at least for this week.